Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Jordan and that will be the second setup I would like to share with you today. This time we have the Kiwi franc. Again, sell opportunity. And now let me break down my analysis for you. Starting from the 4-hour chart, of course, we can see that this trend line was broken. And going through the weekly chart where we had this divergence, daily chart where we had this divergence, and then we got the convergence, basically giving us the idea of pullbacks and continuation. So everything from weekly down to daily chart down to 4-hour chart starts to fit the same trading plan and idea. 4-hour chart is the place where we got the delta, bearish delta pattern, that is also later on confirmed with this hidden divergence, and all these things are actually putting more and more bearish pressure to the pair. Furthermore, we're now trading and testing the parity level, which is absolutely strong psychological resistance zone. Okay, it's simple round number. Then on the 1-hour chart, we can see that the pair is trading inside this flag or channel and currently testing the very top of it. Okay, so that's another resistance, this time dynamic resistance here for us. And we can also see that we have multiple false breaks, and now there is a potential third false break coming, as long as, of course, the candle didn't close below it. We cannot say this is a false break, it's just a potential one. So basically we need to see the price closing below that previous high. However, on the other hand, we have divergence, and that looks like it is, well, not yet, but it has the potential to create false convergence as well, which is basically confirming the same bearish idea. And that's pretty much all. It's all pointing down in the same direction, starting again from weekly down to the 1-hour chart. You have multiple ways to trade it. Of course, the most aggressive way is trading the false break together with divergence. Then you have the most recent trend lines, then you have lows, then you have break below this channel or a flag here. Absolutely up to you to decide how much risk you'd like to put here and which way you prefer. Okay, so if you have any questions, please hit me up below this video in the comment section. I'll make sure to reply immediately. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course join us on Telegram, where we share such setups on daily basis, guys. Me and Vladimir Rybakov. I'm sure you're going to love it. Wishing you a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.